Here I am with the fourth chapter. Super Diaper Baby, Chapter 4. Hooray for Diaper Dog. So, Danger Dog flew Billy back to his parents' house. Hey, look, it's Safety Dog. Hooray! Doggy saved me. Wow! How would you like to live with us? Hold it right there. I am the landlord and I don't allow no dogs. How come? Because he might go pee-pee on the carpet. Oh, yuck. Gee, that's gross. What if we make him wear a diaper? I guess that will be okay. And so, Danger Dog changed his name to Diaper Dog. Tee-hee. Doggy needs blankie. Here is a extra blanket. And a new crime-fighting duo was born. But meanwhile, at the nuclear power plant, something terrible was happening to Dipperty Doo-Doo. Don't call me that! Dipperty Doo-Doo is saying, don't call me that here also. Okay. The page has come, which I was waiting for. That what will happen to the nuclear plant, Dipperty Doo-Doo and the RoboAnt 2000. Let's see what happens. The nuclear radiation was making his body grow and grow and grow until suddenly, oh my god! Dipperty Doo-Doo, a piece of poo, was now a giant piece of poo. Oh my god! He's so giant. I'm gonna get you, Super Diaper Baby, and your little dog too. You know, I've seen people step on poo before, but I've never seen poo step on people. Yeah, life is funny that way. Hee hee. Meanwhile, at the Hoskins house, I will get dessert. Kibbles. Oh wow. Diaper Dog is getting kibbles so often. Look up in the sky. It's a turd. It's a plane. No, wait, you're right. It's a turd. And so, with lightning speed, our heroes tied on their blankies. And off they flew. Oh wow. Now both of them flew to save the day. Diaper Dog and Super Diaper Baby. Me punch Poopy Man. No, wait. Don't touch him. He has absorbed all the nuclear radiation from that power plant. You will get mutated. Oh my god. That's interesting. So, if Super Diaper Baby punches Poopy Man, I mean Dipperty Doo-Doo or Giant Dipperty Doo-Doo, he'll also get mutated. Oh my god. How we fight him? I am thinking. Missed us. Zip zip. That was close. Swish. Hey, I've got it. Oh wow, Flipperama again. The only way to beat him up is to make him beat himself up. Oh wow, that's a clever idea. But we have to move fast. Flipperama 9. Left hand here. Okay. Right thumb here. Poopy Puncher. Oh my god. Oh, he's punching himself only. Because Diaper Dog is very fast, he flew up and Poopy Man or Dipperty Doo-Doo punched himself. You see? Boom, boom, boom. Oops. Boom. Boom. Oh my god. Oh wow, another Flipperama. Ha 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 ha. Me try now. Okay, but be careful. Oh, Poopy Man. Head banger blues. Oh my god, now he'll bang his head only. Boom! Oh my god! Poopy Man or Dipperty Doo-Doo missed Super Diaper Baby. Super Diaper Baby zipped aside and Dipperty Doo-Doo banged his head. with that building. Boom, boom, boom. You see? Oh my god. You see that little guy? That's Super Diaper Baby. Guys, it must be clear now. Way clearer than before. Yeah. Anyways, here we are. Come on, kid, hurry. Oh wow. Poopy Man is beaten up. Bob's Toilet Paper Co. Dot. Oh wow, such a big toilet paper. Crack. Sorry, Bob. Hey. Oh my god. Bob's toilet paper. What are they going to do? I know. They'll be rapping. Poopy Man. Yeah, I was right. See this fliporama? Poopy Man is now a mummy. Yeah! Boom! Fliporama 11. Around and around they went. Oh wow. Another fliporama. You see? Oh wow. They are moving round and round and round and round and round and round. And round and round and round and round and round. Wow. Come on, we have to get rid of this giant poo. Where we take it? Why, Uranus, of course. Oh wow. They'll take this giant piece of poo to Uranus. I mean, Dippity Doo-Doo. Super Diaper Baby. Chapter 5. Happily Ever After. Guys, I'll meet you in the last chapter. Bye.